Ay, sila Mamot at saka si ano. Ayun. Ayun.
Kako, maglapit tayo sa kids.
Doon tayo sa cage.
Atento sa kids ka.
Bakit dito kayo nagpunta? Puntakin nyo. Hanapin nyo ako sa cage.
Yabang ka, tol.
Takin na nyo. Marami kayo.
Hindi naman sa kids. Atay ka sa URC mo pa.
Puntakin na yun. Kasano?
Boss Bullet, nag-iisa laban sa Damamot! Nice one! Mamot!
Lager kayo, di ba?
Nice one! Boss Bullet, ang bumangga, di ba? From Castro, wait!
Ano si Boss Bullet, napalaban kay Mamot.
A few minutes later.
Ay,
He's the first Filipino to compete in an international grappling tournament weight.
Ilang siya basta YouTuber.
Kaya siya nagkaroon ng lakas rin ng challenge si Mamot. And kita-kita naman natin yung physics sa kanyang ginawa. Ang kanyang pinagmamalaking pinagdaanan bilang conditioner coach, bilang fitness coach. And he represented the Philippines sa kanyang sa weight in a powerlifting.
Yes. Alam natin sa malakas.
He won gold sa powerlifting. So meron talaga meron sa ipapakita. And meron ding ground game sa ipapakita.
Actually, straight white belt. That's something.
Pero matagal siya nagpapakita. Ito yung hindi alam ng mga haters kung bakit ganun talakas yung loob nitong ni Boss Bullet. So to our viewers right now, na hindi po nakakaalam, Boss Bullet has experience pagdating sa kanyang ground game. He competed a lot of ground games in Kuwait. Now let's hear it from Franco.
From Ground and Pound MMA, the Mammoth, Sugar Ray Estroso.
Making his way to the cage this time is Sugar Ray Mammoth Estroso.
Sugar Ray, the reigning and defending URCC heavyweight champion by pero not on the lightweight, that's super lightweight. And he is also the team leader ng ating 3v3 champion.
3v3 champion din ito.
Team Pilipinas, nakakaabot ng pananalita. They won
Papaiyak ng mga foreigners. 3v3 itong mga to.
Pinaiyak na nila ang Korea, pinaiyak na rin nila ang China. They were able to defend their championship belt. Last time we held the URCC sa Okada. Ito, kita-kita naman natin. A lot of excitement happened. A lot of hype. Ay ating naramdaman at napanood, nakita. Marami rin mga bashers.
Maraming may kanya-kanyang opinion dito sa matchup na to. Kasi maraming hindi nakakaalam na si Sugar Ray is a legit fighter. And si Boss Bullet naman, hindi nila alam na he actually had background in martial arts. all that work.
Oo. Hindi nila alam yun. So ngayon sa ating mga viewers at ating mga MMA fans, alam niyo na po ngayon na si Bullet, si Boss Bullet, ay meron pong legit background.
Now you will see in them display their skills in the URCC cage tonight.
And of course, the experience of the Mammoth will really count. It will really count. Yes, it will really count. This is the first time for Boss Bullet to enter into a cage tournament. Oo, na MMA.
Magkakasama ang iba ang BJJ competitions compared to actual MMA.
Oo yan. Ibang-iba talaga ang laban. Ibang-iba ang dating ng meron kang experience pagdating sa laban. And of course, ang tagal na rin ni Sugar Ray sa Immortal. He fought against the most dominant heavyweight champion in Immortal, Kaloy Madrigal. Nakuha niya ang belt from Kaloy Madrigal.
Walang iba, pagkat tayo may pare-pareho. Ang pangkat ay iisa, ang naiiba na ngayon nagmamaneho. Walang pero mga lapis na puro ay simula ng pasahan.
This is your main event of the evening.
Ito na, pinakihintay ng lahat.
Your fighter in the blue corner. From round 1, Tiger MMA, medalist boxing and fitness. Give it up for Boss Bullet, ang Bumanga Giba Manlili. And your fighter in the red corner. From ground and pound MMA, the Mammoth, Sugar Ray Estroso.
Mukhang maraming tagahanga si Boss Bullet.
Oo, maraming fighters natin.
And alam nyo ba, para sa ating mga viewers, na nasa likod na namin
Yes,
ang ating
nagtayuan na silang lahat.
Third man in the
viewers
cage.
ngayon dito. Sa likod na namin.
Referee Joey Lepiten. May we remind everybody around the cage to please turn off your flashes. No flash photography. And of course, do not put this on live. We've already sent people out.
Ito na ang pinakahihintay ng marami
Oo.
on social
Round
media.
1!
Maraming excited dito
Oo.
kasi na-cancel nung nakaraan. Ay, na-postpone pala
na-postpone to
itong laban na to. So now,
Naging issue din yung pag-postpone na yon.
push kick by a Bullet. Tignan natin. Another push kick by Bullet.
Na iniindala, wala lang kay Sugar Ray. Okay?
Punches by Sugar Ray. Ito yung sinasabi natin na kailangan mong iwasan kay Sugar Ray. Na ikaw ay didikit.
Mabigat ang kamay ni Sugar Ray.
Oo naman. Let's not forget that Sugar Ray is a former professional boxer.
Yes.
Ito. He is a former professional boxer. Oh! Tinamaan doon si Bullet. At pinapatayo siya ni Sugar Ray.
Napatayo pa. And no!
Whoa.
Yung mga nagsasabi na
A
scripted.
head kick.
Is that scripted for you?
It's not. This is not.
This is not scripted.
This is not scripted.
Totoong sakitan ito ng dalawa.
And you can hear the punches. You
Yes.
can hear the kicks. This is not scripted.
I think it's done. Oh, shoot! Galit na galit galit na galit si Sugar Ray. Gigil na gigil. Nakita yun.
Boss Bullet. Grabe.
Grabe.
Kita natin yung action na yun. Ayaw paawat ni Sugar Ray kay Bullet. Ayaw niyang paawat. And nakita natin, no, si Chief Alvin tumalon na sa fence para umawat din.
Yes. Pag si Chief tumatalon sa loob ng cage, you know
Oo.
he needs to be there.
Ayan, at least napakalma naman na ngayon. Napakalma na ngayon si Sugar Ray.
Nako. Lalabas pa si Sugar Ray. Akala ko split pa. Grabe.
And there it goes. Yung challenge na nangyari kay Bullet. Nakita na natin ngayon.
Yes.
And I think this will be a lesson
Yes.
to
The frustration sa mukha ni Bullet. Pero ganun talaga. I mean, wala na siyang ginagawa kanina. So, you know, it's safe to say na the referee made the right decision.
And I guess this would be a lesson to others who would want to challenge a real fighter. Diba? Magiging lesson din ito. But in fairness to Boss Bullet, he fought.
Yes.
Lumaban siya. Kasi nagsabayan siya. Hindi ko inaasahan makipagsabayan siya.
Yes. Sa caliber ni Mato, you would not expect someone to engage ng ganun sa kanya, to attempt to engage. So, props talaga kay Boss Bullet for
That was a quick first round finish for Sugar Ray Mammoth Estroso.
yes.
Our reigning and defending, he's not actually defending his title right now.
He's the reigning
URCC heavyweight champion.
and 3v3 champion din.
Oh, and he is the team leader ng ating 3v3.
Kung hindi niya nakikita sa stream, lahat ng tao dito ngayon nakatayo, going wild about what happened. Grabe talaga itong laban na to.
At dami na rin pumasok sa cage.
Not to take anything away from Boss Bullet, pero he now knows that
Okay, let's make this fight official.
hamunin niya ng hahamunin. Pero nakita natin kung anong kayang gawin ni Sugar Ray.
So yun.
And your winner by a TKO in the very first round. In the red corner, Sugar Ray, the Mammoth Estroso.
And again, para sa ating mga viewers, this is a super fight. This is a super fight wherein the Mammoth won this super fight against Boss Bullet, who challenged him.
Started in social media. Ngayon sa patunayan